What is good, sneakerheads? It's your boy ASneakerLife, and I'm proud to present to you guys the Nike Off-White Prestos. So as you guys can see, your boy had to change up the format, make it look a little more professional. Honestly, if you do like this review, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Lets me know that maybe I need to put a little more, zazzle on it. But obviously, let's get into the whole reason that you're here in the first place, and that is for the review of the Nike Off-White Presto in the white colorway. A lot of people don't know that this is actually releasing after the black pair. The black pair will be coming first. It's rumored to be July 27th. I'm not sure if that's a fact, but I do know these will drop on August 3rd. Retail is going to be $160. They probably will be available on the SNKRS app. If you don't already follow me on Twitter, make sure to do that, and I'll tweet out the sites that these should hit. The word on the street is that there's a lot more pairs of these than there was the very first version. I don't really know if I believe that. I wouldn't trust that word. If anything, I feel like these are gonna be cheaper in the beginning, maybe cheaper when people get them, and then they're gonna spike in price just like the last pair. By far, out of the two dropping between the white and the black, I personally love the white. I feel like there's nothing better than a clean pair of white sneakers, And this pair is much like the other one. It's made of deconstructed materials. We have the full white upper, of course the off-white hints in the different types of branding, and we can't forget about the orange label under every off-white sneaker. I think my favorite thing about this shoe specifically, and even the black pair, is actually the Nike swoop. Now, I don't know if my video can actually show you how crispy the Nike is. It's kind of like this cream brown off-white color. I love it. It actually looks crazy on the black pair. It looks way better on the black pair, but still looks great on this pair too. So I was misinformed. The black and the white pair are actually both going to be releasing on August 3rd, which, be prepared to take the L. I have a theory about SNKRS app. I'll talk to you guys about that in another video. But I really don't want to keep you too long. I want to get straight to the on foot and really show you what these sneakers are all about. I personally love them. I know I feel like I've been saying this in every video, like this is the best sneaker of the year. For me personally, this is gonna be a go-to for me. Like, I'm definitely gonna be wearing these a lot. And I know a lot of people are scared of having white sneakers, but all you gotta do is hit it with some Crep Protect. How about this? If this video gets 10,000 likes, I'm gonna put ketchup and mustard all over this, do a complete cleaning video with Crep Protect. y'all ain't getting no 10,000 likes, I already know that. But let's go ahead and put these on feet. There you guys have it. That's the review of the Off-White Prestos. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Huge shout out to all you guys that have been rocking with the brand. Again, I still have tees left for St. Michael. The links for this will be down below in the description. Huge shout out to my boy Matt for ooping me on these. Damn, it's just such a great pair, especially for right now. But this is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll see you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now. Hands in the air.
I'm gonna die.